welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to give you guys a quick review over this absolutely beautiful hair. So let's go ahead and get to the facts. So this hair comes from Better Length. When I originally received this hair, the color was like a natural black with a little bit of a brownish tint. And for me, I really like to go for like a jet black look. So I did dye the hair jet black. So the length that I got this hair in is 16 inches. The texture of this hair is kinky curly, and it does have a little, natural little kink to it, but it also does have like a loose curl as well. I'm gonna give you guys a little 360 so you can see the hair. I want to get up close to this hair so you can see how beautiful the texture is. Now when it comes to shedding, the hair did shed just a little bit whenever I washed it, but other than that, like just wearing it regularly and naturally around, you don't have to worry about hair being all over your house or all over your tub or anything like that. The shipping for this hair did not take long at all. The shipping took about maybe 2 to 3 business days. However, I did pay an extra $10. So if you do not want to pay extra for your hair to come, then it will take about 7 to 10 business days. I'm not patient, so I don't like to wait. So yeah, I would definitely check out this company. The hair is awesome quality, and it's for natural girls. They have other textures. This is just a texture that I chose that blends most well with my hair. Also, they gave you this really cute bag. That way your hair will stay in good condition, and also like when you're traveling, this is a great storage bag for your hair. I hope I answered all your questions over this hair. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Have a blessed day. Bye.